1. Declutter your mind. Let's start with the most important space of all, your mind. I used to carry around so much mental baggage. It felt like I was lugging a heavy suitcase everywhere I went. But then I learned the power of decluttering my mind, and it was like someone hit the refresh button on my life. Start by identifying those pesky thoughts that are holding you back. You know, the ones that whisper you're not good enough or you'll never succeed. It's time to show those thoughts the door. Replace them with positive affirmations and self-talk. When you catch yourself thinking negatively, pause and reframe it into something positive. Try meditation or mindfulness exercises to clear your mental clutter. Even just 5 minutes a day can make a huge difference. I started with a simple breathing exercise, and now I can't imagine starting my day without it. Remember, a clear mind leads to a clear path forward. When you declutter your thoughts, you make room for creativity, productivity, and happiness to flourish. 2. Say goodbye to the past. We've all got that one ex we can't seem to shake off, and I'm not talking about relationships here. I'm talking about past failures, disappointments, and missed opportunities that we keep replaying in our minds. It's time to break up with your past and step into 2025 with a clean slate. Write down all the things from your past that are still bothering you. Maybe it's a job you didn't get, a business that failed, or a mistake you made. Now, here's the fun part. Tear up that paper. It might sound silly, but this physical act of letting go can be incredibly powerful. Remember, your past doesn't define your future. It's just a series of lessons that have made you wiser and stronger. So, thank your past for the lessons, and then wave it goodbye as you step confidently into 2025. 3. Write a gratitude letter. Gratitude is like a superpower. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. And one of the best ways to flex your gratitude muscles is by writing a heartfelt letter to someone who's made a positive impact on your life. Think about someone who's been there for you, inspired you, or taught you something valuable. It can be a family member, a friend, a teacher, or even a stranger who showed you kindness when you needed it most. Pour your heart out in this letter. Tell them exactly how they've influenced your life and why you're grateful for them. You don't even have to send the letter if you don't want to, although I bet they'd love to receive it. Just the act of writing it down will fill you with warmth and appreciation. I wrote a gratitude letter to my high school English teacher last year, and it was such a beautiful experience. It made me realize how many people have contributed to my journey, and it gave me a renewed sense of connection and purpose. 4. Celebrate your wins. We're often so focused on our next goal that we forget to celebrate how far we've come. But here's the thing, acknowledging your wins, no matter how small, is crucial for maintaining motivation and building confidence. Start a win jar or a success journal. Every time you achieve something, write it down and put it in the jar or journal. It could be anything from finishing a tough work project to finally mastering that yoga pose you've been struggling with. At the end of each month, review your wins. You'll be amazed at how much you've accomplished. This practice helps reinforce a mindset of success and reminds you that you're capable of great things. I started doing this last year, and it's been a game changer. On days when I feel like I'm not making progress, I look at my win jar and instantly feel better. It's a powerful reminder of my growth and capabilities. 5. Plan and organize your year. Benjamin Franklin once said, "By failing to prepare, you are preparing to fail." And let me tell you, old Ben was onto something. Planning and organizing your year sets you up for success right from the start. Get yourself a planner or use a digital calendar app. Start by scheduling important appointments, deadlines, and events. This could include doctor checkups, car maintenance, or important work meetings. Finally, map out your key goals for the year. What do you want to achieve in your career, personal life, health, and relationships? Break these big goals down into smaller, actionable steps. Did you find the video helpful so far? Please consider liking the video and type 2025 is my lucky year in the comments below. And if you're ready to declutter your home, don't forget to join my 7-day declutter challenge, link in the description. 6. Assess and reset your goals. As we enter 2025, it's the perfect time to take a good, hard look at your goals. Are they still aligned with your vision? Do they still excite you? If not, it might be time for a goal reset. Start by reflecting on your 2024 goals. Which ones did you achieve? Which ones fell by the wayside? And most importantly, why? Understanding the reasons behind your successes and failures can help you set more realistic and achievable goals for 2025. Don't be afraid to let go of goals that no longer serve you. Our priorities change, and that's okay. Replace them with new targets that align with where you want to be in life. Remember to make your goals SMART: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Instead of saying, "I want to get fit," try, "I will go to the gym 3 times a week for the next 3 months." 7. Create a reading list. Books are like portable mentors. They can teach us, inspire us, and help us grow. That's why creating a reading list for 2025 is such a powerful hack for personal development. Choose books that will expand your knowledge, challenge your thinking, and accelerate your growth. Mix it up with different genres: self-help, biographies, fiction, and books related to your field of work or interests. Set a realistic reading goal. Maybe it's 1 book a month or 1 book every 2 weeks. The key is consistency, not quantity. I started creating annual reading lists a few years ago, and it's been incredible. I've learned so much and discovered authors and ideas that have truly changed my life. Plus, there's something so satisfying about checking off books from your list. 8. Invest in yourself and give back. Here's a secret to living a fulfilling life: invest in yourself and in others. It's a beautiful balance that fosters both personal growth and a sense of connection to the wider world. Investing in yourself could mean taking a course to learn a new skill, hiring a personal trainer to improve your fitness, or saving for that dream trip you've always wanted to take. Remember, you are your most valuable asset, so don't hesitate to invest in your growth and happiness. At the same time, find ways to give back to your community or support causes you care about. This could be through volunteering, donating, or even just performing random acts of kindness. I started allocating a portion of my income to personal development and charitable causes, and it's been incredibly rewarding. It's amazing how giving can actually make you feel more abundant. 9. Deep clean and organize your space. They say your outer world reflects your inner world, and I couldn't agree more. A cluttered space leads to a cluttered mind. So let's start 2025 with a clean slate, literally. Set aside a weekend to deep clean and organize your living space. Go through your belongings and ask yourself, does this bring me joy or serve a purpose? If the answer is no, it might be time to let it go. Organize your remaining items in a way that makes sense to you. Use storage solutions to keep things tidy and easily accessible. Don't forget about digital clutter too. Organize your computer files and clean up your email inbox. I used to dread cleaning, but now I see it as a form of self-care. There's something so satisfying about a clean, organized space. It boosts my productivity and gives me a sense of calm and control. 10. Review and reflect on your year. As we wrap up our list, let's talk about the importance of reflection. Taking time to review your experiences and track patterns can provide valuable insights for the year ahead. Create a year-end review ritual. Ask yourself questions like, what were my biggest accomplishments? What challenges did I face and how did I overcome them? What lessons did I learn? What habits served me well and which ones held me back? Use this reflection to identify what you want to bring into 2025 and what you want to leave behind. Maybe you want to continue your morning meditation practice, but leave behind your habit of procrastination. There you have it, 10 life-changing hacks to transform your 2025. If you've enjoyed the video, don't forget to join my free 7-day declutter challenge to take your decluttering journey to the next level. Click the link in the description to sign up.